Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you pineapple upside down cake recipe. So let's see how to make that. Take a small mixing bowl, add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mixing it well. So here I have a cake pan. I'm adding 1/4 cup of butter, which is in room temperature. Spread it evenly on the bottom side. Sprinkling brown sugar mixture and coat it well. Placing pineapple slices. Here I have used canned pineapple slices. Decorating with some cherry fruits. Here I have used fresh cherry fruits. You can even use canned one, which is red in color. Let's prepare cake batter. Add half a cup of butter in a mixing bowl. One cup of sugar. Mix well until you get a very smooth batter of butter and sugar. Adding 2 eggs. Beat this until we get a soft peak. Sieve 1½ cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gently folding it. Now we need to add half cup of buttermilk. To prepare buttermilk, I am mixing 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with half a cup of milk. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. Buttermilk will be ready. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and buttermilk. Once again mix this for another 30 seconds and our cake batter will be ready. Pour this batter on the top of pineapple slices. Spreading the batter evenly. Gently tap this just to remove the air bubbles if any formed. Bake this in a preheated oven for 50 to 55 minutes at 180 degree. You can check this after 30 minutes because the temperature timings will change, depends upon the oven. So our cake is ready. I inserted a toothpick and it has come out really clean. So let it cool completely. Once it cools down, we can flip the side. See, our pineapple upside down cake is ready. It looks dark because of the caramelization and also the black cherries what we used. It's not burnt at all. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, bye bye.